Biakamal Kanur online TV channel nirmala kenyam we Canadian kontilenka rice ne gwasme watching ban link kajan gwasme breaking news re which kaso Sudan gwad michi SSPDF chicken ji Equatoria dang diok chicken kanak South Sudan People Defense Force kumadana chicken alat janan bana dinga jan gwasame mi jiram jidit Kanur online TV channel gore jan o jender jan yogan asun ko ken ban lerme banjaling ka do wadan en chetoga ja turn notification bell ko subscribe ko ku jan yogan asun ko ken chikume SSPDF shikaji Equatoria dang diok chikan kanak shol kane to no ikashwar re wicha katorit chane doctor to chaganak kanaka nagane to da dop katorit gwada labor road dop dan wo bor yen katorit kula bor yen gwada na kan gatin gwada me tuoga ka Torit County ka Eastern Equatoria yan goza dana naka SSPDF naka Nathan Con tin cholkan ka ishur ka ji Equatoria kanika ne to ka gat la torbeli gat ke mai kana da domne na me jan dana tuong ne shango na dial mi sha janga jeno te ga mutuok changa Korean kanede ko ken la kana chola no ne to ka shur ke ga criminal namani Michigan lat kira kana la nishang so at least 3 suspected armed criminals were gunned down and another apprehended at a green horizon farm along the Torit Bor Road in Torit County in eastern Equatorial State on Tuesday. The incident happened when authorities dispatched security forces to a scene of crime to investigate a case of highway robbery. The force followed the footmark of the army robbery and later exchanged fire, leading to the killing of 3 suspected criminals and the injury of their leaders. Imagine a robber that has leaders. Why don't they just simply say that this are SPLMIO or NAS or whatever party that has these arms? Because this is what is happening out there. It is the party army against the SSPDF, but instead they call them army robbery. Earlier this month, authorities registered 2 cases of road ambushes and robberies along the Torit-Juba highway. Torit County Commissioner Christopher Andrew said that the suspected criminals were killed on Tuesday at around 2:30 p.m. and that security forces are following the rest of the group in the bushes. There have been 2 robbery cases along the Juba-Torit highway in Kor, Lakabata and Luler, and we are still monitoring those criminals. He explained that on Tuesday afternoon 3 criminals were killed and 1 was arrested, and he claimed to be the leader of the group, but he later escaped. This criminal have their assembly point very close to that farm, and that is why the operation was done there to attack them, but they also fired back. Imagine SSPDF, are the one orchestrating this problem. They went ahead and attacked them. This is what they do. This is how they attack SPLMIO. I think all of you know this. And then in the end of the day, they will say that we were attacked. Instead, they are the one attacking. For his part, Mustafa Albino Zakaria, mayor of Torit Municipal Council, said the same criminals have been terrorizing Torit town and its environments. These criminals have camped at a Green Horizon farm where they drink alcohol at night. They come up to Leum, disturbing people along the road. These are these same criminals who rob people along the road, and they were found with people's property such as bicycles, iron sheet, mobile phone, money, and other items. He said they or the criminals were disturbing people in town, and the Ilum and Nagasire area. The security force went to their hideout and the criminals start shooting. The force shoot back in self-defense and killed 3 thugs and injured 1. Meanwhile, Vital Abure, a civil society activist, condemned the alarming insecurity within town and along the road in the state and urged the government to contain the vice. Everybody should live in freedom and in justice, and Eastern Equatoria should have a promising future. He stated, all form of insecurity in Eastern Equatoria state should end so that we can advance our state. So anybody who pick an arms against SSPDF, they call it a thief. It does not matter what you follow or what you want to do, as long as you don't like Kirim Yadit or you are not allied with them. What they do, they will take you out. This is what is always happening, and still the international community are keeping quiet about this. And yet they are pressuring people to love peace, but the government themselves, they are the one destabilizing the community. As you can see, they are the one going and attacking people, and they call them robbery.